Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by memorizing the calculation. Iodine value equals 12. 69 times B minus S times N divided by W, where B and S are titration volumes in milliliters, N is the normality of sodium thiosulfate, and W is the sample mass in grams. That 69 constant converts titrant volume and normality to grams of iodine per 100 grams oil. It assumes iodine equivalent chemistry for WIDGs or iodine monochloride methods. Choose a sample mass of 0, 1 to 0, 5g so that your titration volumes fall between about 10 and 30 ml for accurate readings. Weigh 0, 1 to 0, 5g of oil into a stoppered flask, record W to 0. 001G. Prepare a blank using all reagents but no oil. Add 25 ml WIDGed reagent to each flask mix and let react 30 minutes protected from light. This halogenates double bonds. Then add 20 ml of 10% potassium iodide and about 100 ml distilled water to liberate iodine. Titrate with 0.1N sodium thiosulfate until the solution turns pale yellow, then add starch indicator and titrate to colorless. Record sample titration S and blank titration B in ml. To calculate, insert B, S, N, and W into iodine value equals 12. 69 times B minus S times N divided by W. For example, if B equals 28, 40 ml S equals 12, 75 ml N equals 0, 100 N and W equals 0, 250 G compute 12, 69 times 28, 40 minus 12. 75 times 0, 100 divided by 0, 250 to get the iodine value in grams iodine per 100 grams oil. Run at least 2 replicates, average the results, and report the mean to 1 decimal place. Note common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.